So we are just going to jump right into it. So you already on Amazon KDP, you already made your book a paperback. Here I was just showing my other books I already turned to a ebook. So now we're going to turn this paperback into an ebook. So you come to the side and you'll click if you want to, okay or cancel. And then it will automatically take most of the information that you had for your paperback and convert it for your ebook. Here, I'm just clicking on why they say the reasons to offer different formats. So here's when I say like they already transferred most of the information. You will have to put the age range if you want to. And then you will have to put the categories. Because this is an ebook, you'll have to put your own categories, which is the same thing. It's just children's ebook. Here I was surprised by the different holidays that they had. I'm going to pick Halloween because this is a Halloween book. For this one, I think I only put one category for all of my ebooks. And then you'll just go click save if everything is okay. Now here to upload it, you're going to use the format that they tell you to use. This is very important because yes, you can use the same files, but if you don't use their Kindle format, which is free to download, here I'm showing you that the Kindle Create is free to download for a PC or whatever. So here you're going to click. You see I already did some. So you're going to click what you want to create. Here, please make sure you have the proper format of your book. So if it's a comic, if it's children's book, if it's a novel, you just click on whatever the one is, the right one on the side for your book. Here, we're going to do children's book. I'm not putting anything in here and I'm just clicking next. And you can click however your book reads. And so I'm just showing y'all, I'm going to leave this all because this is good for my book. And here, please pay attention because I was not. And I was like, please, if you have a PDF format, please click the bottom and change it to PDF because y'all, when I realized I was stressing myself out, I was so mad. Because I was like, I'm not doing an ebook because it's too frustrated. And then when I realized how easy it is, I was like, girl, read instructions, pay attention. But anywho, this part does not take a while. And it'll let you know whenever it's done. So I'm just trying to make sure I have up all the right screens. And here is when I realized, hey, I did not delete the extra pages. I hate this overlay, so just take that off. And here I'm just viewing it. You can take out this belongs to if your book have that. I didn't take it out because I just didn't feel like it. However, I am going to go back and take out those blank pages because as you can see here, it's not lining up. I want it to line up like beside each other, and each format is showing you how it look on the phone, on the Kindle reader. And yeah, I'm realizing certain pages, it's just one page just because I need to take out that extra blank page. And you could just go through, look at it. So I'm like, all right, this isn't lining up, coach. What to do? So yeah. And I'm just playing around with it to show you all the different looks. And that is how I want it to look, side by side, just like it was in a book. But like I said, some of them are not doing that. And it's because I have those extra pages, because right now the side by sides is like kind of off. So I hate that it automatically do this overlay. And I'm just going to go delete those blank pages. So I'm going to delete 2 pages. So here I went to my Canva because this is where I had it saved. And I just went ahead and deleted those pages and just going to re-upload it, save it to something that I can find. I suggest for you to save it to something you can find, because as y'all can see, I have a whole bunch of PDFs and stuff. And I'm just going to go walk through the whole process again to show you all what the new one looks like without the blank. And as you can see, now the blank pages are gone, and now it'll look like this. And I'm just going to change this to view it the side by side. And voila, I got it in here just the way I wanted to. And look there, beautiful. So I'm just going through all the pages to make sure. Now you will check this again after you upload it. And I'm just changing a different format so you can see it. And now if you are okay with it, we're going to export it. Now this is the part I kept forgetting. You have to export it into the Kindle file before you upload it, because if you don't export it, and let's say you just save this, it'll look all weird when you go do it. So I'm saving it to something I can find quickly. I need to clean off my desktop, all these PDFs and stuff. And then we're just going to upload it to Amazon KDP. This, it will take a minute. It'll show you that it's uploading, but it will take a minute to actually finish uploading. So once this little gray box go away, you will make sure you upload your cover as well. That's going to take a minute too. Both of those will take a minute. Now, once everything has uploaded and is finished processing, and you'll click the whatever you need to click, make sure if you use AI like I did for my pictures, it's the same thing as when I did the paper book. Make sure you put that in there. So now we're going to preview it. Now, for some reason, once you click the preview, it'll go to the next screen and a pop-up will come up. This pop-up, and they'll say that you have to have Kindle Previewer 3 to look at it. Honestly, you don't need this. I did download it and I'll show you all, but basically it looks just like what you see in Kindle Create. So I don't know why they did this. Maybe they feel like people need the warm and fuzzy, but it's the same thing you saw when you was creating the ebook in Kindle Create. And here it is. So this is what it would look like on the phone, and just like in Kindle Create, you can change the view of it. You looking at it in a phone, and a Kindle e-reader or whatnot. So it's the same thing. And now that let's say I'm happy with what it looked like, I would just click the necessities of what I would need to, and go to the next page. This is where you would set your pricing if you want to enroll it in KDP Select. I did enroll mine in KDP Select, but you don't have to. KDP Select, you will only get paid for the pages people read. but you also get free promotion. Here I'm setting a price. Now it'll show you if you want 70% royalties or lesser. Because I clicked 70% royalties, it'll charge me this much to deliver it. So all of my ebooks are set to $5.99. But anywho, so I did press it for Kindle Select, and I'm just hovering over Kindle Select, what you will see. Some people don't like Kindle Select. To me, it doesn't make it any difference. And then you will publish your ebook. And you're done. And you're just going to wait. Just like when you did your paperback, you got the congratulations. Now, it does say 72 hours. It didn't take 72 hours. I think it took less than 24 hours. It was actually only a couple of hours. So, yeah. Now, this is where I'm showing out my other ebooks. Now, you can enroll it into free promotion. Free promotion. I think it's up to 5 days. And that's where people will be able to get your ebook for free. And you will get paid for how many pages. I'm just showing you all basically how you would do that. I can't do it on this book because I already did it. But after your ebook is published, you can go back and do all this. It's not a lot of money for the reading of the pages. The first time, I think it was like 11 cents. And my book was 27 pages. So as always, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Please share, thumbs up, like, comment, tell a friend to bring a friend so we can be friends.